In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best cookery knife available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best cookery knife, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Cookery Knife. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Stratuscraft's Genuine Cookery Knife. Durable blade handle without any joint or weld. Overall length 17-inch with a blade length of 12 inches and a weight of 1 pound 9.9 ounces with pure leather frog. Comes with 2 small utilities knives. Knife blade is made of reliable 8CR13 MOV titanium coated high carbon stainless steel with wooden handle. Blade is semi-polished blade, blunt edge, full tang grate for heavy-duty outdoor works. Comes with protection sheath that protects you from the edge of blades and avoids any harm and damages. Number 4. Cold Steel 97mm Cookery Knife. The less expensive, yet still excellent performing workhorse version of our popular Gurkha cookery knife. There are very few knives in the world that we can think of that can outchop or outcut a good cookery. 18-inch overall length, 13-inch blade, 2.75mm blade thickness, 16-ounce weight, polypropylene handles, perfect as a lighter weight bushcraft or camping tool that can be carried on a belt or lashed to a pack. Our cookery machetes pack a great deal of value into a relatively small, light and inexpensive package. Number 3. Schrade SCHKM1 Cookery Knife. 19.7-inch overall length with a blade length of 13.3 inches. Blade is made of reliable 3CR13 powder coated stainless steel blade. Polyester sheath for easy carry. 3 carrying options for your convenience. Supportive and robust handle to help your grip. 3 carrying options for your convenience. Comes with ferro rod and sharpening stone to assist survival. Durable stainless steel blade. Number 2. Ka-Bar 2-1249-9 Cookery Knife. 100% synthetic. Made in USA or imported. Black cookery style machete with carbon steel blade. Ideal for chopping weeds, clearing campsite, and more. Ergonomic Kragen G thermoplastic elastomer handle. Includes black leather/Cordura combination sheath. Blade measures 11.5 inches, weighs 1.7 pounds. Black cookery style machete with carbon steel blade. Number 1. Schrade SCHF9 Fixed Blade Knife. 1095 high carbon stainless steel blade. Belt sheath with removable storage pouch for easy carry. Ring textured thermoplastic elastomer handle. It is quite tough and capable of holding its edge well. It offers a nice grip and you will not find any difficulty in holding it as you use it. The Kraton handle is made of quality materials and meant to last for years. It has finesse for cutting, which has been proved by its ability to make feather sticks.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.